Sawubona. Let me teach you yet another Ndebele click, which is cha. So this is X with an H. Okay, cha. Let's do it together. Cha, che, chi, cho, cho. For some reason, I think this is simpler than cha. Okay, cha. I hope you're hearing the difference when I say cha and when I say pa. All right, with time you'll get it. So let's get into the words that use this click. The first one is umchanga. So this is using two different clicks. You're hearing cha there, and then the last one is what? Nga. So umchanga. This is a traditional Ndebele dish which we make using maize and sweet melon. Umumbu lejodo. So when you put together umumbu and ijodo, you bring out umchanga. Okay, umchanga. Number 2, iqhegu. So iqhegu is an old man. Okay, iqhegu. So if you wanted to say there is an old man, nantiyana iqhegu. Okay, sometimes we just say nangiyana ukhulu. So ukhulu means grandfather, but if you want to specifically say old man, say iqhegu. And then we have iqiba. So iqiba is a bedroom. Umama useqhibeni lakhe. Mom is in her bedroom. What do we call it? Iqiba. Okay. Ixhosa. Ixhosa is a Xhosa person like myself. So if you wanted to say Bongiwe is a Xhosa, uBongiwe liXhosa. Angithi uBongiwe ukhuluma isiXhosa. Bongiwe speaks Xhosa. Okay. Now let's get into just two verbs that use this syllable, and please continue to practice. Say these words after me as I am teaching you. So, to shake someone's hand in Ndebele is called ukuqhawula. Ukuqhawula. Okay. Buya ngikuqhawule. Come, let me shake your hand. Angithi uMabutho uhamba eqhawula abantu. Mabutho goes around shaking people's hands. Okay, ukuqhawula. Make sense? And then there is ukuqhopha. So ukuqhopha means to poke someone's eye. So it's something you normally do by accident. So if someone were to qhopha you, someone were to poke your eye, your most natural reaction would be, "Eish, uyangiqhopha. You are poking my eye," right? And if you wanted to report it to your mom, you'd be like, "Mama, Sandile uyangiqhopha. Sandile is poking my eye." How is it going with this click? You managing to pronounce it? Let me know in the comments, please. And I'll see you next time.